What's going on, guys? In this video, we are going to test out how fast and how responsive the new 2026 Honda Prelude with all the PLM parts from front pipe and down pipe that we've installed. Let's get into it. Stop. Back up, turn. Holy crap. Alright. Going. Stop.
Try it.
Oh, it feels like it, man. Faster, like it's reacting right away.
I guess what happens when you open up the exhaust, it flow a little better.
Like like for some reason, it feels different. I mean, the reason why I say that, I've been driving this car ever since we got it. Johnson has driven it too. But I think you should drive it back home and see how you feel it.
Okay.
Oh wait.
It's definitely louder.
Yeah, it's louder. It's more responsive.
Magic of exhaust flows.
Whoa!
No way. No way. Feel more responsive.
Like, no, you have to drive it. Alright, so as I was saying to Johnson on the way to this drive, the car feels more responsive. So obviously you won't really feel it if you're a passenger if you have to drive it, or actually you do feel it more. So we're running Sport Plus right now. Sport.
Whoa!
I told you, right?
Wait, what?
I told you, right?
No way.
Bro, I told you, bro.
No way.
No, I told you. Now you feel it, right?
No.
Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm freaking lying.
Oh yeah, it's way more responsive. Alright. No way.
I did not feel this at all the first time we got it.
Okay. It's a very unscientific test, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Okay, alright.
What? No way.
Right? I told you.
No way.
I told you, Johnson. Alright, get on the freeway. Feel it. But it feels way different, right?
No way.
Dude, I'm telling you.
I am in disbelief.
Because I did not feel this when we put on the downpipe first. That's
Meter's on. Alright. No way. Alright, we're gonna do this for fun.
Yep.
No way.
Let's go.
What?
More power, baby.
No, we gotta strap this to the dyno. It's so much more responsive.
And it's louder. It's a little bit louder, obviously. Yeah. So we got off imagine if it was catless.
I'm so confused. What?
But I'm excited. Oh, see how?
No way. That's so responsive.
That's crazy.
Wow. Okay. So, on a scale 1 to 10, is it worth it?
To me, I would say I would put a 9.5. Like
I put 8.
I would put 9.5 because I want to put the rest of the exhaust here.
I would say 8. It would make it a 10 if we actually figured out, maybe not us, but somebody figured out how to tune it. Because I know that you're not really taking advantage of. It's a 2 undersell,
right?
So it flows a lot better, but you're still not taking a full advantage of it because
not like a fully pull, yeah.
Yeah, so the computer still thinks it's stock.
Right.
You get benefits, but you don't get all the benefits.
That's true.
This is
so responsive. I'm telling you.
What? It did not do that before.
No, that's exactly what I said. When we first put on our downpipe, I was like, all right, cool. It feels the same way. Maybe it was just me, but again, I've been driving this car ever since we got back from our trip, and the car just feels different right now. It feels responsive. I immediately noticed it when we got out of that garage, and now Johnson's driving it. I told him that you gotta feel it, man.
This is ridiculous. I'm confused.
Right.
The downpipe just does that. And before people start ridiculing us, we're not exaggerating. Generally,
yes,
it's way more responsive.
Yes. For the next video, you guys will see all the good things that we're going to be doing with the Prelude. We're going to go over there for our typical spot. Johnson and I, we have this route we always go and drive around here, and then see if. I mean, first things first, make sure the car doesn't have any CL anymore. Second thing, make sure the car runs fine. Lastly, enjoy more of the POV drives. Let's get it. We technically broke the first one. So the whole problem about this video was the mini cat was blown up. Like literally, like when you put something in there, this should have like a mini cat in there. But when we took it out, it blew off. The main reason why the CL popped up. Yes, but overall, gratefully, Johnson, the great mechanic, he was able to take everything out. We had a few things.
Tight space.
Yeah, tight space.
Doable.
Yes, but other than that, this is definitely worth it. I would say that the car definitely feels way better. And by the way, guys, again, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, do us a favor. Make sure to smash this like button down below. And also subscribe for more PLM videos. And also support our 2026 Honda Prelude build. All right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo! Peace.